Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make visually appealing Google form. So as you can see here, my Google form is not appealing at all, or it's not look pretty, and I'm going to show you how to make it more appealing. So first you need to change the title of the form, so make it appealing. For example, invitation to Jen's wedding. For example, this is just an example, and then you can also customize the theme. So just go to this customize theme option, and you can change the header, the theme color, the background color, and also the font style. So I'm going to start with the header. So since it's for example a wedding, you can choose the wedding themes here, this one for example, and then click on insert, or you can also upload your own header, but I'm going to use this for now. Okay, so as you can see, the theme has been changed. Follow the header, the color of the header. You can also change the background color like this, and I'm going to change the font style for the last. So I'm going to use this just like that, and when you're done with the customization, just close it, and as you can see, it looks more pretty now. Okay, so that is how you can make more visually appealing Google form. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.